Hey there, agriculture enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Africa's forgotten superfoods. These lost crops have immense potential to revolutionize food security and sustainable agriculture. So buckle up and let's explore. First up, Teff. This tiny grain is a staple in Ethiopia, known for its incredible nutritional value. Packed with protein, fiber and calcium, Teff is not only a nutritional powerhouse, but also highly drought-resistant. Despite its benefits, Teff's cultivation outside of Ethiopia and Eritrea is limited. But with its gluten-free goodness, Teff could soon become a global sensation. Next, we have sorghum. This resilient crop thrives in extreme temperatures and drought conditions. Sorghum is versatile. It can be used for food, animal feed, and even biofuels. High in fiber and essential nutrients, it's a superstar in the making. Despite being overshadowed by maize, sorghum's adaptability makes it a crop of the future. Now, let's talk about finger millet. This hardy grain is a treasure trove of essential minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium. Resistant to drought and capable of growing in poor soils, finger millet is a robust and nutritious option. Sadly, modern agricultural practices have pushed it to the sidelines. Moving on to cowpeas. High in protein and loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, cowpeas are a legume that thrives in drought-prone regions. They're fantastic for soil health too, as they fix nitrogen. Yet, they've been eclipsed by commercially appealing crops like soybeans. Don't forget yams. These root crops are rich in carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Yams are drought-tolerant and grow in various soil types. Though a staple in parts of Africa, their cultivation has declined in favor of more marketable crops like cassava and maize. And then there's moringa, the drumstick tree. Its leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Moringa has numerous uses, from food and medicine to biofuel. Despite its benefits, it hasn't yet made a big splash in large-scale agriculture. Lastly, amaranth, a highly nutritious pseudo-cereal. Rich in protein, iron, and other micronutrients, amaranth is also drought-tolerant and grows well in poor soils. Though once overshadowed by staple crops like maize and rice, amaranth is making a comeback, especially among those seeking gluten-free options. These crops are more than just plants. They're keys to a sustainable future. By embracing these lost crops, we can enhance food security, reduce reliance on climate-sensitive crops, and promote sustainable agriculture. For more information, check out reports from the National Academies Press or ICRISAT. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Let's unlock the potential of Africa's forgotten superfoods together.